Shortly after the Civil War, black ministers and white philanthropists saw fit to establish schools for freed slaves. These schools were built for our ancestors. They were never allowed to be educated, or let alone educate themselves. In 1890, the Second Morrill Land Grant Act called for federally funded institutions to either open their doors to black students or create a separate school for them. What do you think happened?
They still continue to push us out of their spaces. So there came the birth of the Harlem School, right?
Yes. The foundation of black education started in church basements, old, worn-down schools. They even began in people's houses. Your assignment is to research your institution or any HBCU in the South and find an important moment in history that it was involved in. I want a thorough report by next period.
I guess I just got assigned this research project. Like, this is beyond me, actually. I'm probably gonna take a nap and then get into the assignment. Yeah.
Inspired by the sit-ins led by North Carolina A&T students, in 1960, 3 students from Morehouse College met up to discuss organizing against injustice in similar ways. They recruited students from the Atlanta University Center, Atlanta University, Clark, Morehouse, Morris Brown, and Spelman College to form the Atlanta Student Movement. With direct intentions to push for equality and justice, many AUC students organized and participated in protests, sit-ins, marches, boycotts, and rallies. These students often sacrificed their college careers and committed to working full-time for their community. You are because they were. Rebuild the legacy.
Talia, how's everything going, sis?
Yo, you ever wonder what this place was like, you know, back in the day?
No, I don't really care that much.
Students from Morehouse, Spelman, Clark College, Atlanta University, they were involved in the Atlanta student movement, and they were like just advocating for student rights, and not even just students, but they're really active in the community.
Everybody knows that, T. You're not the first to discover the history of this campus. What's your point?
I think I'm supposed to do something about it.
Okay. Let me know if you need any help with that.
This is the beginning of the resurgence of scholar activism. Atlanta students move. We rebuild.